Yo, what's happening? StackMODE Chris here. Let's jump straight into it. This is the benefits of playing one pair or just pretty much just one thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it, guys. So this is the benefits of playing one pair and trading the same set. So yeah, here you guys go. Whether you guys are trading options, futures, whatever, there's a lot of benefits to only trading one thing. You guys get to learn the patterns. You guys get to really understand the trend, and you guys really get to understand the story. Because at the end of the day, what a lot of people don't realize about trading is that this is a story at the end of the day. And as you guys can see, we're starting to get a short setup here. It's going to be super easy. Guys, I really do predict we're going to dump extremely, extremely hard just by this setup here because I've been following the trend extremely hard. So let me show you how I follow the trend because I've been following the same pair for a long time now. I always follow the YM. So I'm going to go ahead and start by drawing my Fibonacci at the top here. I'm going to go ahead and drag it all the way down to the bottom and place it down. From here, I'm going to go ahead and lock it up so it doesn't move. Boom. Now I'm going to scale down to a 4-hour time frame. Okay. Now, as you guys can see, this is a Stairmaster story. Now, when you guys draw Fibonacci or you guys draw your own levels, it makes it extremely easy. Now, if you guys don't like to draw Fibonacci, or if you guys don't want to depend on it, you guys can eye your own levels by yourself. So I'll show you how to quickly draw levels too. So as you guys can see, I like to draw levels either on the daily, or it's a lot easier to do it on the 4-hour, which is my favorite time frame personally. So on the 4-hour, I like to scroll out, look at the most recent within the last like 3 or 4 months, and look at the most recent low that price has bounced off of. So I see this most recent low down here is a zone. So I'm going to draw this. I see there's a low down here being made along with highs and lows down here. So I'm going to draw a zone down here. I also see a zone at the top of here. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a zone. I also see a zone on the top of these two wicks. So I'm going to draw one here too. I see a zone on the top of these as well. So I'm going to draw this with the bottom wicks. I'm going to go ahead and draw a zone up here. I'm going to draw a zone up here. And of course, we're going to draw a zone up here. So guys, if I draw Fibonacci retracement from the top to the most recent bottom, as you can see here, we are going to be getting some very accurate levels. So Fibonacci is the same thing pretty much as my levels that I just drew. So it's really up to you guys whether if you guys want to draw Fib or just draw your own levels. It's really up to you. So once you've drawn your levels, you can go ahead and follow the story. So after you guys have seen that, make sure you guys look at the Fibonacci or your levels, and make sure you guys look at recent and past price. So as you guys can see here, let me show you for example. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of benefits to following the same pair. So we know that here we had this bounce recently on Thursday the 18th, and we know that this bounce was justified due to the data that we played off of back of January. I've been playing the YM pair. You guys can go back on my videos and check out the videos I dropped playing the YM pair. I've been following for a very long time, so everyone knew that there's very valid areas of buying. As you guys can see, there was tons of orders down here. This is the swing points liquidity by Leviathan indicator. So I'm gonna go and draw a checklist. So number one, um, you know the story. My fault for that typing. That's insane. So number one is you know the story. That's really one of the main benefits to following the same trend. Um, yeah, or following the same pair is you really know the story. And when you know the story, you're not trying to be desperate for a play. You're going to be patient and you're going to be sitting in the tree like a sniper. Shout out to Luke Belmar for that quote. So yeah, number two. So you know the story and you're going to be more patient. That's inshallah. I'm not gonna lie. Inshallah, if God wills, man, that's what inshallah means. You'll be more patient. Because the fact that you're waiting for your setups on the higher time frames, this is secret sauce I'm giving y'all, man. And if you don't understand it from my videos, which I make it extremely easy for you, get with me for mentorship. Gotten funded too many times. It's extremely easy. And I just want to help you guys get profitable and start making money in the stock market. A lot of people struggle, and I just want to help you guys, inshallah, get profitable. And I want to help you on your journey. So let's go ahead and do this. Make sure you guys are following your discipline and consistency because over any tips, those two things are going to get you further than a lot. Your prayer, your discipline, your consistency, man. Let's do it. All right. So because you know the story and the trend the whole time, you're gonna be more patient, inshallah. So because you're more patient, guess what, guys? Guess what? Because you're more patient waiting for setups, this is the most beautiful benefit, I'm not gonna lie. Your account is going to be preserved longer. So when your account is preserved longer, guess what, guys? You're not losing capital. When you're losing capital over and over and over and over and over again, it's extremely frustrating to keep on trying to pursue the journey of trading and trying to be successful at it. So you do the fact that you're waiting for your higher time frame setups, you're not taking as many trades, you're waiting on one pair, and you're waiting for price to go to the levels and give you the reaction that you want off of past levels and past data that you can study. It's amazing. You know, your capital is going to be preserved. Your risk reward is going to be absolutely amazing on these setups as well, no matter what you're playing. I highly recommend playing like a stock, so or equity or index. My apologies, such as like YM or NQ or ES, due to the fact that there's news, and news likes to push price into key levels really easily. So as you guys can see from Forex Factory, we did have Friday 10 a.m. news. And due to the fact that that happened, we had price come up here. I gave out this trade for free on my Discord. Make sure you guys join my Discord as well for that. But gave out this trade for free on my Discord. Got this easy supply and demand setup. Bounced off the fib. Boom, got in. Stop loss above the highs. Took it all the way back down to here for an easy trade. And got another funded account off of that trade. So now I'm waiting for price to pretty much dump. Give me a retest in the morning and do the exact same thing. So honestly, yeah. So that's just what it is, guys. Hey, that's what it is. So it's extremely easy. There's a lot of benefits to just playing one pair. You're going to be a lot more patient. You're going to know the story, which is going to obviously you should be more patient, inshallah. And your account's going to be preserved longer because you're being more patient. And all of these things. So patience and account preservation. Watch this. Prayer, patience, and account preservation. Account preservation and discipline equals profitability. So check it out. So due to the fact that you know the story, it's going to be a lot easier to just preserve your capital. When you guys are preserving your capital, you're not going to be crashing out your account. It's going to be a lot easier to not be frustrated. So once again, let's go ahead and run through. Let me go ahead and give you guys another example. Let's go ahead and hop on the NQ. Let's go ahead and hop on the daily. Let me go ahead and clear it out. Let's go ahead and now just keep doing repetition, guys, like homework. No matter what pair you're paying, just keep drawing fib over and over. Keep studying. Keep drawing fib at the recent lows, and keep getting better at drawing fib. If you're looking for calls, draw it at the top to the most recent lows. If you're looking for puts, draw it from the bottom to the most recent highs. And that is how you draw Fibonacci. Extremely easy. Make sure you guys are doing it on the 4-hour or the daily or the weekly if you want. And the 4 hour is going to give you like the most accurate lows. But if you guys want to do it easy, you guys can do it from the daily. So here's the NQ example. So let's go from the top to the bottom place. 4-hour. Boom. As you guys can see, we are getting price reactions. Boom, 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 boom. We had a perfect short here entry on Monday 29th. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely fantastic, man. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Only Allah is perfect, but that entry was nice. Is if you caught this on NQ, you made some bank, and you got the breakout as well with it. You definitely made some money. Definitely tempts me to play NQ, just because of how reactive it is off of the fib levels. I'm gonna wait and see though. I'm gonna see if we get some bearish price reaction. Um, I'm gonna just check it out and just see. I'm seeing some candles here, but yeah, follow whatever pair you guys are playing. Stock it like a hawk. Keep studying it. A lot of benefits. Once again, let's go through it again. You know the story. You're gonna be more patient, inshallah. Your account's gonna be preserved longer. And prayer, patience, account preservation, and discipline equals profitability. So, guys, focus on one pair for a little bit. You guys can definitely be diverse a little bit later once you're a better trader. But once you guys start getting in the ease of things, focus on one pair for a little bit. All right. Peace. Oh, wait, you thought I was going to let you off the hook? Join my Discord. I'm giving out free signals. You get a 1-day free trial as well on my Discord. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. I'm always going to give a 1-day free trial on my Discord for my signals. You guys can also talk to me. First call for free for mentorship. I'm working with all budgets. We'll talk about the pricing later on the next call that we do if you guys like my service. So yeah, and you guys will, inshallah. And I hope these videos help you. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm giving a 1-day free trial in my StackMODE trading Discord for my exclusive signals. Here, I'm going to be giving entry and exit alerts, levels, and trade breakdowns for futures, options, as well as crypto traders. You guys can also purchase lifetime access to the signals where you guys can pay once and have access to the signals forever. Here, you guys will also find a link for my one-on-one mentorship sign up, and let's discuss how to get the best entries, and let's chat about strategy, risk management, psychology, and figure out what's holding you back. I want to help you guys get profitable, and payments will be flexible. I'm working with all budgets for my mentorship. If you guys want to help get profitable, make sure you guys join my Discord, and inshallah, let's make some money on.